Here's how to get started with the Ninja Foodi cold and hot blender in a snap. First, position the base and pitcher so the Ninja logos are facing forward, aligning the printed arrows. Then add desired ingredients. To secure the lid, set it down on top of the pitcher with the longer tab positioned behind the handle. To lock, rotate the lid tab toward you until you hear a click. To assemble the center cap, set it into the lid and turn clockwise to lock. You can blend or cook using Auto IQ programs or manual controls. The Auto IQ programs incorporate a balance of blending speeds and precise temperatures to give you great results. To build more flavor when cooking, you may also select the Sauté program to cook onions or garlic with oil before selecting the primary Auto IQ program. Manual speed and heat settings provide you with ultimate control. In blend mode, you can select low, medium, or high speed. In cook mode, you can select low, medium, or high temperature. In both manual modes, the display will count up until you turn the mode off. Pulse can be used during blend or cook modes to stir or chop ingredients. Pulse will run as long as you are pressing the button. For more information, visit ninjakitchen.com.